In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Outlook app on Android. Let's get started by using the official Google Play Store. This is important because it ensures the app is safe and legitimate. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. The Google Play Store is your one-stop shop for all apps. It's where you can find applications approved for Android devices, ensuring they are safe to use. Once you have the Play Store open, navigate to the search bar at the top. This is your tool for finding any app you need. Just tap on it to activate your keyboard. Now, type in Microsoft Outlook or simply Outlook. This helps you locate the app quickly. You'll see a list of apps, but remember, you want the one published by Microsoft Corporation. This is crucial to avoid downloading fake apps. Always ensure you're getting the official app to keep your information secure. When you find the correct app, it will be titled Microsoft Outlook Email and Calendar. This is the official name of the app, and it's free to use. It's designed to work seamlessly with various email accounts, including Gmail, Yahoo, iCloud, and of course, Microsoft accounts. Next, tap the Install button. This starts the download process. Once you tap Install, your phone will begin downloading the app. This might take a few moments depending on your internet connection. Be patient, as waiting ensures the app is properly downloaded and ready for use. After the download finishes, tap Open to launch the app. Opening the app for the first time is an exciting moment. It marks the beginning of your journey with a powerful email and calendar tool. At this point, you'll need to sign in with your email account. This could be an Outlook, Hotmail, Gmail, or any other supported email. Signing in allows you to access your emails and calendar from your phone, making it easy to stay connected on the go. Once signed in, you'll see a confirmation on the app's interface. Congratulations, you now have Microsoft Outlook installed and ready to use on your Android device. This makes managing your emails and schedule much easier right from your phone. Remember, using the official app from Microsoft Corporation is important. It not only keeps your data secure, but also ensures you have the latest features and updates. Plus, it's designed to work smoothly with multiple email services, providing flexibility and convenience. With that ready, you can start exploring all the features Microsoft Outlook offers. From organizing your emails to managing your calendar, Outlook is a comprehensive tool. It's designed to help you stay on top of your communication and appointments effortlessly. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and set up Outlook on your Android device. This app will surely enhance your productivity and streamline your email management. Enjoy the convenience and efficiency that comes with having Outlook at your fingertips. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. I hope you find the Outlook app as useful as many others do. Feel free to explore its features further and make the most out of your new app. Until next time, happy emailing.